Hey, it's us. And today we are doing the animal noise challenge, which is fun.
We both came up with a list of animals and we are going to try to make the noise that we think that animal will make, and we'll both make it and see who did better.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, first animal is hyena.
I don't know. They laugh.
Not like that.
Okay, you sound like a terrifying clown.
Okay.
Okay, who won that?
Neither of us. Goodness.
We have to choose one. Choose what's it? Who
I'm gonna say you.
Yes. 1-0. Okay, now it's my turn, and mine is a pterodactyl.
A pterodactyl?
Go. Go.
I don't know what a real pterodactyl sounds like.
Like this. Wait, let me try it again. I can't do it. My voice is giving out on me. It's like, I can't do it.
So I won?
Yeah, you took it.
My animal is giraffe. Okay. Ready?
I won.
I was trying to stick my tongue out.
I won that one.
What is a giraffe?
2 to 1. 2 to 1. Not bad. Okay, butterfly.
Shh. I'm trying to make the noise. It's the wings. It sounds like a dragonfly.
I think you mean.
Mine definitely won. A Komodo dragon.
I was trying to think of that.
The cat?
I have to beat you on that one. What was that?
Well, they're just like a lizard, and lizards just do this. Okay, your turn.
Rooster.
That was good.
I think you need it.
Wait, so we're 3 and 3?
Yeah.
Oh, this is boring.
Okay.
Platypus.
Oh, you wait. He did something like that.
No, it's like this. Oh, shoot. That wasn't it. It's like, but it's like,
Yeah.
but it's like,
Caribou.
caribou, like a moose.
Like a caribou. Cow? Is that what it's like?
No. Have you ever heard of moose?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it's about something.
You sound just like I did.
Yeah, you said boo. I went, oh. There's a difference. I won that one.
Stop, you did not. Because it's 5 to 3. Fine, you won.
Yes. Okay, my turn. Your turn.
Duck.
Quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Oh, yours looks better. I'm sorry. I said quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
Which is probably not a good idea. Gorilla. Yeah, I did it way better.
You were way too committed. That
6 to 4.
Oh,
Your turn.
tortoise. Not a turtle.
Yes. You won. Sadly, they do not make any noise. Panther.
Panther?
Let me just like jump. Wait, let me try.
Angry kitty.
Let me try again. That's right.
What about panther?
Me.
I think I did. Just because you want to win.
No, what do you think?
Yeah, you probably.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, ready? Last one. An eagle.
Eagle!
It's just like echo across the land of the free.
Freedom! Freedom! I won that one.
Oh, dang it.
Caw! Mountain goat.
Mountain goat. It's climbing on the mountain.
My turn. You won that
It's
one.
like a pooping goat.
Angry maybe, but no, not 50.
Yeah,
You're right.
supposed to be.
You won that one. So I got 9 and you got 5. Is that right? That's 12.
But we have 14.
Oh wait, it's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 14. Okay, so I won with 9. Lauren lost with 5. What's new? I always win.
We tied last time.
Yeah, this is better than someone won actually. Okay,
I want to win.
that's it from us. So we will catch you later. Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry. Gosh, that scared me.
What was that?
Star. I picked her up on accident. I mean, not on accident, but I heard her when I picked her up on accident.